truly elated, and I think I've been truly blessed and very lucky that right since beginning of my career, I have had a great evergreen romantic songs, right from Arijit Singh's Sanam Re, Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar, वो चांद कहाँ से लाओगी, and there are multiple, tracks which have added to my filmography, and people love to hear all those tracks. So I'm very happy, and I'm very, fingers crossed that also the same thing happens with our track Rabba Kare, that it adds up to the filmography, and people love it even way more.
लोग होता है ना शेयर इट हैपेंस when you have there's a lucky charm हो जाता है and when the lucky charm sort of works it really just one sec should I wait for the lights to come back on okay good so एक lucky charm बन जाता है and it sort of really works and I think she's become that lucky charm wherever you go you'll see Urvashi these days
I mean she's traveling I think everywhere I mean मैं देखता हूँ कभी गोवा में होती है कभी वहाँ होती है कभी यहाँ मतलब it's really amazing see keeping yourself engaged with so many things, and again keeping yourself so fit and fine.
That is another thing also.
That is.
Urvashi का जो workout schedule उसको देखकर ही मैं बेहोश हो जाऊँ.
It's very difficult. यार आदमी की हालत बुरी होती है. But I think it's all a hard work, and I'm saying मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही मज़ा आया. हमने जब काम किया दुबई में 2 days का shoot था हमारा. So it was fantabulous working with her, and I personally wish her all the success in her forthcoming projects, whatever she's doing, and obviously रब्बा करे अभी गाना है आप सब प्लीज प्यार करिए शेयर करिए
that is good
थोड़ी मार्केटिंग करना चाहूँगा मैं यहाँ पर
थोड़ी we can do lots of marketing
I know
Urvashi 2 दिन के शूट में पहले 2 घंटे कैसे रहता है you met Shail over there of course we've known Shail for a period of time also as a singer and as an artist we've always known him first 2 hours how was it meeting Shail
I have to say that when I met him I told my parents that I'm working with him, and they were really over the moon, and they were very happy because they love him, and they told me, "Honey, you're working with Shail Usman? Okay, you don't have to worry." That's what exactly they said. You don't have to worry, and right from that moment, I didn't worry at all, and it has been such a smooth ride. I think I find him really very unique because apart from being truly super successful. Businessmen. At the same time, how do we say? आजकल वो song trend चल रहा है ना, millionaire. So I would say that he is such a successful businessman, but in every successful businessman you'll find this one thing that they lack the creative part, which I don't know from where he gets this so perfectly. He has this such a emotional, very gentle, very such a great music sense, and he is very high on creativity, and that's where we really blend it all together. But at the same time, he is so good in what he does, which is his original business. So I think it's a great mix, and this is a kind of a mix which it's really hard to find, and he's the rarest one.
लेकिन I think पता नहीं वो एक चीज़ बन गई प्यारी सी मेलोडी बन गई लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया क्योंकि उस टाइम 2006 की बात है ये and I think those time remixes were happening
absolutely
Hari Anand Kaanta Laga all those things were happening and then suddenly I think when this track dropped एक emotional track with those lovely visuals and dialogues and all so I think वो हो सकता है कि impact पड़ा लोगों के दिलों में मतलब काफ़ी you don't know यार एक चीज़ बन गई it's like it's
but making a track also like this also Samiksha is very involved the both of you have been involved in front of the camera behind the camera behind the camera your family is it difficult to work with your wife
Samiksha is actually she is an actress
yes
तो काफ़ी movies की हैं TV series वगैरह की हैं so I think she understands cinema very well
right
मुझे याद है साले like during lockdown
yes
we shot this video called तेरे नाल
yes
उस टाइम मेरी मेट थी सिंगापुर में और मेरी असिस्टेंट थी हमने कैमरा दे दिया उनको और फ्रेमिंग समीक्षा ने कर दी कि भाई अब खड़े हो जाओ मैंने कहा खड़े होने शी लाइक नहीं वी विल मेक इट वेरी नाइस कोविड स्टाइल काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि वो हम डॉक्टर्स हैं तो आई थिंक वो आई थिंक शी हैज दैट इंस्टिंक्ट दैट शी अंडरस्टैंड्स कैमरा शी अंडरस्टैंड्स स्टोरी टेलिंग अच्छी सुनते ही कोई स्टोरी दिमाग में आती है समीक्षा की तो ये इस गाने के साथ भी शी क्यूरेटेड एवरीथिंग वेरी वेल and I think I thank her for this beautiful creation and obviously thank you Urvashi for being part of this song. क्योंकि working with her was amazing. She's such a lovely person. You know, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. You know, मुझे थोड़ा ये था कि कैसी होएंगी, you know, like I mean, you know, because she's been here, you know, has done so many, you know, albums and you know, lot of other things. तो लेकिन comfort zone था, you know, this is the most important thing when you're working with your co-star.
You know, and before I call her on stage, I have to say, she's one of the hardest working individuals I have known. Again, मैं भी इनको इतने सालों से जानता हूँ. जब वो stage पर आ रही हैं, she has worked her way up. She has reached a stage where, you know, everyone now knows. You know, like I said, लोग नाम के लिए इतना कुछ करते हैं और कई बार लोग नाम नहीं पहचानते हैं. But Urvashi Rautela today, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the most loved faces on Indian cinema, Indian television.
Yes.
Please to welcome her on stage. And can I have a chair for us? Urvashi, welcome. Once again. Can I just have a mic, please? The mic is...
Yes.
There you go. Thank you.